The Cabinet today approved the Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025, enhancing promotion opportunities for LP school teachers. It also approved state rules for regulating forensic examination fees and a structured fee system for agencies. The Meghalaya Town and Country Planning Scheme was endorsed to address unplanned growth in New Shillong Township. The Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act 2024 was amended to clarify land procurement processes with a focus on industries generating local employment. Additionally, the Invest Meghalaya Authority (IMA) will now be renamed Meghalaya Investment Promotion Authority MIPA.
In a certain position for many years, and there were limited scope for promotion, which also created a bit of conflict between different sections in the education department. And hence, after deep consultation with different associations, the education department has today amended the rules. As I said, this is the Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025, and this is going to pave way for a better scope of promotion when it comes to government LP school teachers.